How to fix Prime Video on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can fix the Prime Video app on Android. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and then make sure that your device is not rooted. You have to keep in mind that payment apps and streaming services apps such as Netflix, Prime and so on does not work on rooted Android phones. So that could be one of the reasons why. Just go ahead and check the root status of your phone, and if it's rooted, just try to unroot it and see if that fixes the issue. The second reason could also be that your device is not Google Play certified, which means it is not officially supported by Android or by Google. It also means that you're using a custom version of software on your system. So it could mean that you've installed a custom ROM and installed custom kernels and installed custom build numbers and so on, and that could be one of the reasons why. In order to check the Play Protect certification status, we'll just go ahead and open up our Play Store. Once you open up our Play Store, what you want to do is go to your profile on the top right corner over here and simply select it. Once you select your profile icon on the top right corner, just go ahead and select settings. Once you go to settings, again just go ahead and select about. Once you go to about, at the very bottom of the screen you can see Play Protect certification and you can see device is certified. In my case, my device is certified because this is the official version of operating system which I'm using from my device's manufacturer company. If you're using a custom ROM, your device could not be Play Protect certified, so that could be one of the reasons why the Prime Video app is not working. So we basically discussed two reasons. Other than that, there are also some of the general fixes which you can do, and that is that we're going to go ahead and simply search for updates. So if there are any type of updates for the Prime Video application, I want you to go ahead and update the app to the latest version, because in most cases that will fix the issue. And if that is not also fixing the issue, long press on the Prime Video app icon and tap on the I button which you see over here. It will take you to the app info page, and once you go to the app info page, just go to storage, clear the cache, clear the data, but keep in mind that when you tap on clear data, it is going to delete all of the files or videos which you've downloaded to Prime, and it is also going to sign you out of your account. So if you don't remember your credentials and if you don't want to lose your downloads, I wouldn't recommend this option. But to fix the issue, of course, you have to try either one of these solutions. And hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.